How to find user ID on Gate application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to find your user ID on the Gate app, first of all, open the Gate application on your smartphone or tablet and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed in on the home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner from the home screen. You'll then be able to see your username along with your user ID right at the top of the screen. Go ahead and open up your profile by tapping on the username at the top, and then you'll be able to see this page where you'll see your user ID at the top of the screen, which is shown right underneath your username. It is a long string of numbers. Simply tap on the copy button right next to the numbers to copy the user ID. Especially it is used for support or referral purposes. Your user ID is different from your email or username, so make sure you don't mix them up. And that's it. You've successfully found a user ID on the Gate application in just a few simple steps. Hope this helped you. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also stay tuned for more simple tutorials like this. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.